Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to Eric Blackmon Guitar. In this session, I will show you how I play my favorite version of Ghost Riders in the Sky on guitar. This is the version that LeVang played on the Lawrence Welk show in 1961. The guitar is tuned standard E-A-D-G-B-E. And in order to get that super twang guitar sound that I am hearing on the original recording, I am using my Fender Strat with my lead pickup selected. I am using a medium pick, and I'm playing through my old Fender Vibrolux reverb amp with built-in tremolo for a vintage surf guitar sound. Now I have 10 newer amps, but I am hanging on to this one because none of them have the sound of this cool amplifier. Okay. Here's our first riff. We did that with the open E string, a down up down on the A string, the second fret on the A string, the third fret, open, then back to the low E string, fret 3, the open E string, and then back to 3. So that was Riff 2 sounds like this. For that one, we went to the open E string, the A string, fret 2, fret 3, to the D string open, and then we're going to hammer on to 2 from open. So that was open to 2 and then hitting 2 a couple more times. Back to 3 on the A string, and back to the D string, fret 2. So here it is again. For riff number 3, we'll play this. For that, we went to fret 3 on the A string, the open D string, fret 2, and then the G string, fret 2. Back to fret 2 on the D string, so at fret 2 we went, and then open, hammering on the 2, and strike 2 again. So it's then we'll play the open D string, fret 3 on the A string, and then open A. So once again, here's the entire thing. For riff number 4, we'll play this. That was the open A string, fret 1 on the E string, fret 3 on the A string, again, open, fret 3 on the E string. So here it is again. Then we'll do a little chicken picking, and it'll sound something like this. Now, it took a little while for me to get that down, so don't feel bad or get frustrated if it takes a little while for you to do it. It's going to be played this way. That's the A string, and then we're going to pick down up on the A string, but mute it like that. So it's, and then the open E string, and then we'll go back to the A string and chicken pick again, down up. So it's A string, chicken pick, E string, back to the A string, chicken pick, A string, chicken pick, E string, chicken pick, and you repeat that process. So it's, now it might take a little practice, but you can do that. Here's the entire thing played through to the chicken picking. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now we're going to go through the entire thing again, but right after that chicken picking, we'll go to this. In order to do that, we're going to the high strings. For that part, we're doing double stops involving the B string and the high E string. We'll go to fret 1 on the B string and the open E string and go down, up, down. And then we'll go to fret 5 on the B string and fret 3 on the E string. And then we'll follow that with the B string and high E string at fret 5. It's down, up, down. And then we'll go back to where we started at fret 1 on the B string and the high E string open. So again, that's then we'll go back to our low E string chicken pick. That's open on the low E string, fret 1, fret 3 on the A string, 3, and then into the chicken pick. Now when I'm chicken picking, I'm doing a little palm muting as well. So I've got my palm kind of against the strings so that they don't get a lot of open sound. So it's... And with a little work you can speed that up. Now next, we're going to have to modulate. So when we come out of that chicken picking for the second time around, we're going to play this. And then we'll go to fret 3 and press down on the C and the G and play that chicken picking. And we'll move to our index finger to play that. And we'll play this. Okay, that's C, G, now we've modulated to the new key. And the new key is C minor, and we're going to play it like this. For that, we went to fret 3 on the E string, and then we're going to go to fret 3 on the A string. Fret 5, 6, back to 3, fret 6 on the low E string, fret 3, and back to 6. So we're playing exactly what we played in A minor, we're just playing it in a new key, which is C minor. So that was again. For Riff 2, we'll play this. That was fret 3 on the low E string, fret 3 on the A string, 5, 6, fret 3 on the D string, hammering from 3 to 5, 5 again, fret 6 on the A string, and then back to fret 5 on the D string. So that's. And for the next riff, for that one, we'll go to fret 6 on the A string, fret 3 on the D string, fret 5, fret 5 on the G string, 5, back to fret 5 on the D string, go to 3 and hammer on to 5, 5 again, fret 3, 6 on the A string, back to 3, So that's and to finish, fret 3 on the A string, fret 4 on the low E, fret 6 on the A string, 6 again, fret 3, and then we're going to move back to fret 1 like this, and then go back into our chicken picking. And that's at fret 3. So here's the entire thing. After that, we'll move back into our double stops. But since we're in a new key, we'll have to move up to fret 3 and 4. Fret 3 on the high E and fret 4 on the B string. We'll slide that up to fret 6 and 8. And that's on the high E, 6 and 8 on the B string. So that's. Then we'll go to fret 8 and hold it down, both strings. Slide back down to where we started. So that's. Then we'll go back to our low E string, and that was fret 3 to 4, fret 6 on the A string, then back to our chicken picking. We'll finish the song with our double stops. And those double stops sound really cool when you slide into them like this. Well, my friends, there you have it. That's all you're going to need in order to play Ghost Riders in the Sky on electric guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.